Hey guys, so we have another problem on pattern printing where we have to print a pyramid here. Here we have 5 stars at the bottom. That means this is a 5 cross 5 matrix as we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but 5 rows and then 5 columns. So it is a 5 cross 5 matrix. And if you don't know how to print the matrix, you can just watch the previous video which have posted pattern 1. Then to solve this question, first we'll have to use the for loop. So for I in range 5, since we need 5 rows, we will use um, two types of for loop within this for loop, since we have to print the spaces as well as the star. Now if you see the first row, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 blank spaces, then the star. We don't have to have much concern and worry about the blank spaces here, since we can just use the print statement to just skip to the next line. The only concern here is the starting blank spaces. So we will use two for loops. So the first for loop will be for the blank spaces, then it will be for the printing of stars. So for j in range, now we are printing 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 spaces here. So our range from start should start from higher to lower, right? So what we will do here is that we will start from the value which is 5 minus I, because I is incrementing and k, or the j value, sorry, the j value here is decrementing. So we have to say that the first will be 4, right? But in range, since it starts from 0, we have to add another minus 1. So that for the first for loop, you will have 5 minus 0 minus 1, which is 4. Now here there are 4 blank spaces which will satisfy the condition. Then next, for the first, for the value of 1 for I, we have 3 blank spaces, that is 1, 2 and 3. So on. Here we have to add print blank space, and then we have to add the argument end is equal to, and then leave. Then for the pattern, that's the star, we have to add another for loop and say range. Here the range is increasing, so the first will have 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. So we have to start with 1, then I plus 1, just like the previous one. And then we'll say print, we'll say star, and then give a space, and we'll say end is equal to. Then after the one iteration, we have to add another print statement and just leave it blank. Let's print the program. So we get the pattern, which is similar to the question that we were trying to find the answer for. Thank you.